Okay, the engines are now started, and we're going to put the yacht controller online by first pressing the yacht controller button to activate the remote, and then pressing the remote button to pair it immediately to the yacht controller. In order to take command with this system, we need to push the control button down until the blinking stops. And then one second time to take, if you have the yacht controller on and you put the gear in, you will not take command via your helm. You can only take command via the yacht controller. So this is a safety protocol. And once your yacht controller is in command, the helm station is not